Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. A specialized software company and a bank are a couple of the growth and income stocks that Todd Bunton, our growth and income stock strategist, wants you to know about. In fact, he's going to tell us more about each of them right now. That software company is Intuit, I-N-T-U, the ticker symbol. This company's been around for a while.
Yeah, founded in 1983. They do financial and tax prep software.
Right.
People are probably familiar with TurboTax, of course. They also do QuickBooks, which is a small business accounting software company or division. And they also have Quicken, which is financial management software. And they've had strong growth in all three of these branches, really, strong organic growth over the last few years. In fact, TurboTax online subscribers grew 20% last year, year over year. So good, strong growth story here. And also a little tidbit about QuickBooks. If people aren't familiar with it, they are the 800-pound gorilla in small business accounting. So anybody with a small business, they probably use QuickBooks. They are definitely the market share leaders there. So strong organic growth story. And when we take a look at the earnings picture, you can see consensus estimates have been consistently rising over the last several months. Company's been doing very well. Analysts expect that growth to continue over the next couple of years. Based on consensus estimates, they're looking at 18% earnings per share growth this year, 15% next year. So you got a good strong growth story. Company also initiated a dividend this month. Its first ever regular quarterly dividend. Yields about 1.2%. And as long as earnings continue to grow, I'd expect that dividend to increase year over year. The company has a very solid balance sheet, very strong free cash flow. So you got a good growth story, getting some income, and you're getting it at a reasonable price. They trade around 19 times forward earnings. Historically, they trade around 21 times, so it's a discount to that. A lot to like here. Okay. This month being October of 2011. That's right.
In case you view this video next month. You won't be confused.
That's right.
And when I said bank stock, I'm sure I heard people out there say, what did he say? But it's the Bank of Chile.
That's right.
That he wants to talk about, BCH.
Yeah,
the
Chile,
ticker symbol.
It's Chile's largest bank.
Really?
And the Chilean story, I think it gets overshadowed a little bit. They're in South America, they're kind of next door to Brazil, so they probably get overshadowed a little bit. But good, strong economic growth story here, and that means good, strong loan growth for the company and solid credit quality as well. They've seen double-digit increases in loan growth on the commercial side, the residential side, the consumer side. Wow. And unlike the U.S., where loan growth is almost non-existent and credit quality is still iffy, you're getting good, strong growth story here. And when we look at the estimates, you can see consensus estimates have been rising over the last several quarters. Analysts expect strong growth to continue over the next couple of years. Based on consensus estimates, they're projecting 69% earnings per share growth this year, 10% growth next year. That's pretty much unheard of here in the United States for a bank. And a good solid income story, too. They pay a dividend that yields 4%. And they pay that on an annual basis. They have about a 47% payout ratio, which tells me that they still have some wiggle room to increase that. And they're going to grow earnings per share by 69% this year. I'd expect a nice, healthy dividend increase right around the corner. And you're getting all this at a really good price. Along with other Latin American stocks, the Banco de Chile has sold off a little bit in the last couple of months. And that's tied more to general macroeconomic concerns, nothing specific about the company here. They've been doing gangbusters, but they trade about 10 times forward earnings. That's a discount to its 10-year median of 12 times. So great growth story, great income story, great price, a lot to like.
I'm still trying to get my head around a bank that loans money.
Yeah, whatever happened to those?
Yeah, I don't know. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right, check out other stock picks that we have outlined for your review on our homepage at Zacks.com. Put 4 new ones up there for you daily, one on each of the investing categories that we write about on the website. With Todd, I'm Terry Ruffalo.